Hi, Brandy here again. We've been together for a couple weeks now, and I've been talking to you about using the Spark framework, and I'm wondering how the framework is working out for you. Let's talk a little bit about it again, just to kind of see how it came and bubbled up inside of me. So it started on a walk, and I was trying to come up with a framework where I was using AI as a thought partner, and AI helped me to develop Spark. And Spark stands for the S, which is a story, and that's really about giving AI your backstory. And you should be doing this anyway. This is the context that AI needs in order to really grab on to what it is that you're saying and take it to the next level. So you're giving it that backstory and giving it as many details as you can, and truly being as transparent as you can, because the more real you are with the AI, the deeper the AI can go with you. And then the next part is to give AI a part to play. So when you give AI a part to play, it really takes the thoughts in a big, random type of a way and really funnels it down to exactly what it needs to be. And so that's giving it a very specific part to play. When you give it a part to play, then it takes it to the next level and helps you to really go dive deeper into that one specific niche that it's talking about. And then this is where it flips it on its head. This is where you ask AI to ask you questions. I like the appreciative inquiry model, and that's where it asks questions in a positive way, but you can use a Socratic method. You can use whatever it is that you want. I also like to ask it to ask me questions and give me multiple choice answers. That way I don't have to type or speak in so much. I can just say, hey, I want answer C. But sometimes I say answer D when it gives me A through C, because I want to remain in control and in that driver's seat, and AI is my thought partner. So I can just really mold this and take this conversation anywhere that I want. And then R is to respond as authentically as possible. And again, this is how you help AI to go deep with you, is you ask it to respond in a way, it asks you to respond in a way that's very thoughtful, transparent, and deep, so that it can really give you back that same type of answer that you're looking for in that space that you need. And then finally, the K is to keep going until something sparks, and something will. I know when I met my husband, I like to tell people I just knew that he was the one, and it's kind of like that with Spark. I mean, really, it's that answer that's very familiar. It's that answer that you feel like you know that this is this path that you need to be taking, and that's what you do when you have this Spark method, is that you really just go until something sparks, and once it sparks, then you know it's the right thing, and you stop, and that's the direction that you're going in. So I hope that you're using the Spark method, and in the chat, in the comment area below, let me know. Send me a little chat, send me a DM, let me know how this is working out for you, because I really want to start a revolution here where people are using AI in a more human type of a way, and they're doing it one deep question at a time.